And this is our Amaya single detached house and lot here in Sentosa, Calamba. Kung ang budget mo ay less than 10M, pero gusto mo 4 bedrooms tsaka single detached, ito yung perfect for you. Majority kasi kapag 4 bedrooms na single detached, 10M mahigit na yung price niyan. So ang lot area nito ay 176 square meter. Then ang floor area niya is 149 square meter. So ito yung iyong main door. Yun nga lang, nakasarado yan. So dito tayo papasok sa gilid. So this is your car park. Provision for 1. Yun nga lang, kung kasya actually dito kapag dalawang views, yun nga lang medyo masigip na siya. Pero kaya naman kung gusto mong dalawang parking. Pero kapag SUV yung isang mong sasakyan, medyo alanganin na. And this is your sala. O, diba ang ganda ng windows? Malalaki kaya maliwanag. Yan. Meron siyang room dito sa baba. So, option mo na kung gusto mo itong gawin office. Kaya kung meron kasamang senior or PWD, pwede mo rin i-convert to as a bedroom. And this is your powder room dito sa ground floor. Siyempre, meron kang dining area at kitchen area. So, single detached ito. So, meron kang mga spaces pa. Yan, meron ka pang space sa likod. Diba? Sampayan or whatever kung ano yung gusto mo dyan. This is the ground floor area for Amaya house model. Since malaki yung door niya, liwanag tignan. Check natin yung taas. Kung marami yung family mo, perfect to. Since 4 bedroom siya. So, ito yung common area mo na pwedeng gawing family room. Which has a direct access sa ating balcony. Actually, dito sa Sentosa, Calamba, majority ng mga buyer dito ay retiree at OFW. Since tahimik nga siya. Pati mga professional working in industrial park kasi malapit na lang. So, this is our first bedroom dito sa second floor. Then, meron tayong room dito. This is the second bedroom and this is the third bedroom. This is actually the master bedroom since meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Yan. So, may sarili siyang CR since this is a master bedroom. Maliit lang to ng konti sa Shanata house model. Pero kung wala kasing 10M yung budget mo, this is good for you. And syempre, meron tayong common toilet and bath. So, if you want to see the sample computation of this property, just message me.